Rinchen Jomba's momo recipe stole the spotlight at the Millet Recipe Contest in 2023, organized by Krishi Vigyan Kendra, the government-run agricultural center. Jomba's special recipe was made of kongpu, a type of finger millet. Her aim is to revive this indigenous grain for the younger generation.
तो सुबह उजाला नहीं होने में हम लोग पिताजी जो सामान ज़्यादा बुकेगा और हम लोग को थोड़ा बुका के हम लोग 2-3 लड़की पिताजी के साथ जाके ऊपर पहुंचने में तो वाह इतना पहाड़ चढ़ना पड़ता है ना। वहाँ जाके हम लोग का आटा और मकई का आटा, मिलेट का आटा, हम लोग का चावल वो लोग को देगा नाप के, हम लोग को छुरपी घी देगा। उसके फिर बुक के आने में यहाँ पहुँचने में फिर रात हो जाएगा।
Jomba belongs to the Monpa tribal community, an agrarian ethnic group that has long inhabited Arunachal Pradesh's Tawang and West Kaméng districts. Some subgroups traditionally cultivated millets, barley, buckwheat and maize, while other subgroups such as the Brokpa specialize in rearing yaks.
मैदा लोग दुकान का सामान क्या आ गया वहाँ से छोड़ते दुकान का सामान खा के फिर पूरा ना पहले का आदमी लोग जैसे कुछ भी ताकत ऐसे नहीं है तो।
Earlier, the Monpas were largely self-reliant. They lived isolated in the Himalayan high altitudes, with limited or no access to the settlements below, and depended heavily on local resources. However, this isolation also meant that food scarcity was common. In the mid-1960s, after border conflicts with China, the Indian Army established permanent bases in Arunachal Pradesh. Rice and wheat became popular after that, and the local residents also got introduced to some spices and oil.
पहले के ज़माने में क्या होता था कि रोड कनेक्टिविटी बहुत ख़राब था, गाड़ी वाड़ी पहुँचना नहीं था और बस्ती में भी किसी के पास गाड़ी नहीं था। एंड देन जगह भी ठंडा है, सो वहाँ पे सब्जी वगैरह बहुत लिमिटेड, लाइक रेडिश होगा, लेटस होगा। जब रोड कनेक्टिविटी बढ़ गया एंड ऑल्सो द गवर्नमेंट का सब्सिडाइज राशन आने लग गया, तो पीपल गॉट अ टेस्ट ऑफ राइस। तो राइस बहुत स्टेपल हो गया हमारा। बिफोर दैट वी यूज्ड टू हैव लाइक कोर्सली ग्राउंड फ्लावर। When food became cheaply accessible, most of the farmers, they gave up traditional farming. Even if they did go back to farming, it was for crops that were like commercially viable.
As people migrated from villages to towns and cities, they also left behind their traditional agrarian lifestyle. Now, innovative efforts are in progress to reconnect with traditional food items.
Damu's Heritage Dine is one such initiative where we thought that Monpa food, which is directly linked to forest, it's a foraging-based diet. So we thought if there's a way that we can have a restaurant where people can get to experience traditional Monpa food, then it would be a win-win for the community as well as for tourists who are coming down. We are trying to see how the people here, locals here, can have an alternative source of livelihood as an incentive to promote and to conserve their forests and natural resources.
सबसे पहले तो हम लोग सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप में था। WWA वाला निशान सर आके आप लोग ऐसे करने से अच्छा होगा, ऐसे करने से अच्छा होगा। माँ लोग को पूछा, पहले हम लोग ऐसे खाता था ना बोल के माँ लोग को पूछा तो हाँ ऐसे था बोल के उसके बाद हम लोग सर को बताया।
So I think while we were discovering or making the list of recipes, one recipe that stood out to us was this recipe called Purshing Gombu. It's essentially made of two key components. One is it's corn flour. So corn flour dough is roasted over an open flame, over coal, and then it's shaped like a bowl. And in that bowl, you put in the resin. It's the oleo resin of the Chinese lacquer tree. very few people can harvest khurshing. It causes severe allergies amongst people. I mean, I think it's about to be extinct in terms of accessibility of the oil, and it's only one person supplying it. So I think that's one dish that's definitely attributed to Damu's Heritage Dine and, you know, the Chug's conservation efforts to bring back that recipe. And we believe that because it comes from the forest, right? The forests have to remain for this food item to remain. So the more popular this becomes, we are definitely supporting the conservation of the forests here.
अभी हम ये साल से यहाँ में पूरा यहाँ घर घर जाके बोला है, हम लोग बाकुट का खेती करो, हम लोग खरीदेगा। उसका हम लोग मिलेट का खेती करो, हम लोग खरीदेगा, और रेड राइस लाओ, वो भी हम लोग खरीदेगा बोल के। तो इस पर ये लोग बहुत मिलेट किया।
In just a year, Jomba's Millet Momo has become a hit among the residents and tourists. The greatest pride for Damu's Heritage Dine is that people from the Monpa community regularly visit the diner. For many, it's an emotional journey back to their childhood, eating foods once lovingly prepared by their mothers and grandmothers.